What's up, cows? Show me where the off-roading is, cows. I'm going. So welcome back to the channel, guys, and I have not been giving her any attention of lately, and these are dual sport Ralco 120/70 14 tires for this Aprilia SR 125, and I just thought I should take it off-roading because, well, I can because it's not an off-road scooter, obviously. The suspensions are very hard, but if one wants, they can do whatever they want. Let's take this Aprilia SR 125 for a trail. It vibrates like shit, boys. Vibrates like shit. Anyway, this is gonna be a fun trail. I hope so, at least. So this doesn't look like an off-road. So wait, let me just try to take it. So here's some bad roads. Let's tackle that with the Aprilia. Let's see whether it can do off-roading. Oh, it got stuck. So since we didn't find a proper trail, we're gonna test it in whatever conditions we get. The initial power matters the most when you're off-roading. So let's try to shove it into this hole of sorts and get it out. It glides. It glides. It's all on the rider. Like I said, it's all on the rider. Wow. So I'll see you at one more trail. So give me a minute, boys. On the road also, they say that if you install dual sport tires, there will be an effect in cornering, but I'm still able to corner this thing with a lot of confidence. So even after riding Duke 250 and getting used to that power, at any point I did not feel like Aprilia is not powerful. I still feel that this has a lot of punch, a lot of power. I can still ring the throttle on this, and I still have a blast, man. I know it's less powerful than my Duke. If you haven't watched videos on my Duke, then I'll link them in the description, or you can just open the channel page. So last time I came here, this was full of bushes, and now they've burned everything down. We humans paved these paths for us, and we don't care about anything else, really. We just destroy everything else in our way. So off-roading, this is not like Aprilia cannot go in wet off-roads like so many adventure bikes, but it can do mild off-roading. But I am able to gain traction, and a lot of that has to do about my dual sport tire. The tire is actually very good. So let's try to hit this trail up. It's not a trail really, but whatever, guys. Vibrates like anything. It's not a comfortable place to be if you're off-roading, but if you really want to do it, you can. And the initial punch is there. Oh. So it does go on bad roads, but only if you are skilled enough. Let's see if we can climb that hill. Oof. Wow, 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 wow. Almost died there. Okay. Okay. Like I keep telling on my channel, it's all on the rider, boys. It's all on the rider. You can have the shittiest bike in the world, but if you are a good rider, there is nothing that can stop you. Boys, I'm struggling, but I won't give up. I came to treat my Aprilia like a dirt bike, and I'll do that no matter what. Let's see if we can do this rocky hill climb on my Aprilia. There's a lot of glass here, boys. I came to off-road, and I will off-road, boys. Whew. Let's hit up this one now. All potty here, so I can off-road on my scooty. Actually, people have 4x4s for off-roading, but I can actually off-road on my goddamn scooty, boys. So if you're a good rider, if you have that thing in you that you will face any challenge with a pinch of salt, you can do it. There's no one in this goddamn earth that can stop you. Whew. Feeling hot, but I'm hitting up the worst stretches of road that I can find. So look at this. Oh fuck. The mission is to put my Aprilia through a test, whether it can handle bad roads. This incline, but my dual sport tire is helping me do all this. And there's another rocky patch here. There's a muddy incline. There's another rocky patch. So hit like for this video, guys. It's not easy to not easy to off-road over here, man. I'm putting my Aprilia through hell. I really am proving that Aprilia is capable, or I don't know if I'm proving that I am capable. The ground clearance is kind of better than my Duke, so I have to do something about this suspension though. Off-road riding is so fun. Wow, that was a drift, boys. Now let's go again. Woo! I think that's it for this video. So like if you liked my off-roading skills, and dislike if you find this to be stupid but fun. So basically don't dislike, only like this video. And Aprilia should pay me, man. I am selling their scooters like anything. I personally would be responsible for selling their goddamn scooties to people. Rock climbing, bro. Look at those cows running. Let's see if we can catch up with them. Can you see them? They're that far away. We can just catch up with them, I guess. They waited for us or what? What's up, cows? Show me where the off-roading is, cows. So, fun bloopers, huh? Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. It was really hard to make, but I have superb control over the Aprilia. I'm going. I would have fallen. The dual sports, man, they're the bomb. So one last stretch of speed. Woo! So if you want to improve your riding skills, subscribe to this channel. I'll do an off-road riding tutorial. And whoever are the fans of my Aprilia Quicksilver, comment down below. Been through a lot with me, and she's the reason I'm into riding. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and we'll be back soon with another off-roading trail. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.